on to a very big story that we've been tracking closely. Sources indicate the Tatas may have emerged as the top bidder for Air India. As per sources, if that happens and the change takes place, then the directors of Air India will be asked to resign by the end of the year. After, of course, a formal announcement and discussion with the government, the final management changes will be made. But the big story to remember is this. It is actually the Tatas who had originally established the airlines back in 1932. The airline, of course, was then nationalized around the time that India got its independence. And if Tatas do manage to buy Air India back and as the topmost bidder and the front runner, life would have come a full circle for this group 90 years later to save the Maharaja.
Yes, definitely. A big day for Air India, where Tata Sons has emerged as a top bidder for national carrier Air India, and international agencies have also been quoting, saying that Tata Sons is quite a front runner in this entire divestment process. But here on, what the next process involved? What we learned from our exclusive sources that the information says that now in coming 2 or 3 months, in the month of like November or December, a management change will take place wherein the 4 full-time directors of Air India will be asked to resign. They will be asked to leave the company, whereas the 2 independent directors, which are usually posted by the government, they will also be asked to resign. So sort of a management change we can see in the month of November and December. And this is the same month where the government has targeted to transfer this entire national carrier to the new owner. Now, apart from the management change, government will also have a meeting with the probable winner as to how this entire financial structuring will take place, how the upfront payment will be done by the winner, and also what will be the future of Air India employees in the company. For now, government has made a clause that for next 1 year, no employee will be asked to resign, or the private player cannot ask any of the employees to make an exit from the company. But yes, the private company, whoever will win this race, will be having a meeting with the government also has to discuss regarding the future of Air India employees. Now we all know that in year 2020 to January, government has initiated this entire divestment process. This is the second attempt by the government, where government has targeted to sell out 100% stake in Air India, 100% in Air India Express, as well as 50% stake sale in ground handling company, which is named as AI SATS. And government is quite confident, quite hopeful that the second attempt is going to be a success story, where this success story will be reflected, will be shown for other PSUs as well, which are there listed for the divestment process. But as of now, Tata Sons, which has regularly been pushing, which has bidded with a lot of preparation, is now emerged as a top bidder, and a formal announcement could be made by the government very soon.